Alrighty, guys. Time for some more Roblox Studio. How fun. Alrighty, let me plop that. Oh, that's right. I need to take up desktop defenders for you guys. Sorry, I forgot about it. Let's see if it pops up, huh? Yes, it does. There you go. So there is your desktop defenders as well. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to mute that as well. And then and so there we go. You guys can watch the desktop defenders game go crazy. Alright. Alrighty, okay. Where did we leave off last time? I'm pretty sure we left off testing it in the actual server clients. Oh, I did 0 people. That's not what I wanted to do. We wanted to test it with 2 people. See what happens. So let me test it out again real quick. See what I was having some problems with. See what I was dealing with. I can't remember. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Can't remember too much. Cause I did stream some Cyberpunk. Okay, so it's creating it. Yep, it's creating the list, server list nicely. Okay. Rejection works. Join. Attempt to index nil with parent. So the reason why that was happening is because we have frame is already in one. Frame already exists, don't create one. So I thought we fixed it already. Did we not fix this already? Or we just continue to make it and we're just like, screw it, just keep going? I thought I fixed this problem. What the hell happened? I legit thought we fixed this. Did we not? Oh god, something in my eye, guys. Okay, so let's see. This is not the client themselves. Create a server list, whatever. Frame already exists. Don't create another one. Okay, creates one. Creates one. Does not create one because it already exists. Creates one. So... Oh. So it errors out if both of them make it. So it'll end up erroring. Holy crap! Sorry, guys. Erroring out if both of them at the same time create a server themselves. So then in that case, what we need to do inside of the game, this game is, I don't know. When they join a party, they have to disappear, right? They're no longer available on the server list. So if they create and or join a party, they should disappear. So what that would mean though is whenever there's a response remote or an invite remote, it should just delete it from the thing, the game. Right. So, God, did I not think about this? I'm hungry. I am hungry. I won't lie about that one. I swear though, I thought about this. Okay, so maybe I'm just insane, guys. I don't remember. So in our case, what we're supposed to be doing is okay, let's think about what the plot line of this code is. Let's do that first. Right? Let's make sure we do that, because if we do that, we can at least figure some stuff out, you know what I mean? So the plot line of the code currently is a player joins the server. Sorry. I don't mean to yawn. Jesus. So a player joins the server. When the player joins the server, they're like, oh, hey, I don't have a lobby to join. Okay, you know what? Fuck it. We'll just play this. I think about why don't we just... Oh, no, wrong one. Ah! Damn it. Fuck. Cancel. There we go. We'll just test the game out here. So the player joins the game, you know, they're like, oh, yada, no, I don't want to join any of these lobbies. Let's create one. Creates one, puts in their numbers, whatever, yada. So they're like, I want 5 people, I want 4 people, I want 3 people, I want no people, whatever, right? Whatever they want. So now they're like, okay, so do they want friends only? So they're like, most of the time they'll probably be like, oh yeah, friends only, 3 people, whatever. And then, so now this is the client alliance. So it's not the clients. Here we just did it. Okay, so yes. Okay, so then they would invite themselves, whatever, and then they'd be like, oh, okay, yada have I like joining the client, whatever, yada. God. Okay. So let's go here. This is setting the visible to either true or false, depending on if it's the local player or not. Right? That's what that is doing. Granted, we don't need that currently. What we should just be doing is clone that visible equal to true. Testing purposes only. So we're gonna have it be true no matter what because it's just testing. We're gonna kind of just test it out for now. Okay, just test it out. And then what we should be doing is we should so we get that to happen. Okay, so let's change this printing first because this is fucked up. This should say server frame list does not exist, creating a frame for the player. Okay, you know what? We're gonna actually do color coding. Emoji color. Cause I really hate this. Plop. So we're just gonna plop those. We're gonna have a whole bunch of prints. So where are we printing things? Here we're printing one. Oh, let me take this phone call. God. Jesus Christ, man. Whatever. Whatever. What is done is done. We're not gonna do much about that. Oh my God. Fucking life sucks like a bitch, doesn't it? Anyways. Whatever. We're going to... Gosh. Lies. How horrendous that is. Whatever. Alright, where's all my print statements inside the code currently? Huh? I have one here. Do this. Do this. Frame listing. That way we know where the hell this is printing from. Because Jesus Christ. I have a lot of print statements currently for debugging symptoms. Size, I don't really need that. Those should all be part of that. Yes. So what is this? Person? Player list? Person? Player list? Person? Print player list out. We're printing the player list so that way we know what all the players are. We don't need to know. Well, no. Let's keep the person thing. We're gonna keep the person thing because the person is quite useful to know due to coding shit. Print, clone. Okay, wait. So this player list, let's put this here too, because we're fine with that. Right. So we get the player list here. Create. Yada yada. Invite, drawing. Huh, I still get the freaking error here too. It's blank. Did I not put these in? Not exist. Creating a frame. Creates the frame. Puts it inside of the players and server list. Party controller. Party controller. Player does not want to join. Player wants to join. This is the party that's printing out from the response remote. And it has blank. Players and serverless, player and serverless. Why did it blank out? Oh, it must be because of the response remote. If answer equal to true. Still says it's no because there's none in here. The only thing I could think about for this due to the remote response, but it doesn't even. It doesn't even separate it out though yet. So all it is just the player wants to join. All it is the player wants to join. Response. Oh, that's what's wrong. That's what's wrong. Right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. That's what's wrong. That's the wrong one. That's supposed to be this. My bad. That's supposed to be that. Can't I just delete this? I already have this here. So I could probably just delete this. If answer is equal to true. Because we're already deleting the invite, right? We already have the invites being deleted. So it doesn't even matter in that case. Because the invites are already... It's already checking for the invites. You know what I mean? It's already checking for the invite. So it's already deleting it. Because we just have this as a debounce tool. So once it's deleting, once it's being deleted, this should work now. Okay, let me test this out with clients. Because I did fix this. So, let me test it out with clients. Here. Test it with clients. So here are 2 clients. One creates... Fuck. It's back to doing this. Damn it. It still has itself now. Oh. No. The reason why it has itself is because I turned it off. That's right. I remember. Turned it off. Now it should be okay. Now just clients should be okay. Because I remember I turned it off for testing purposes. Granted, the player's not going to be in the party. So that's not going to work, but may work. Can invite, reject, invite, join. So then it joins. Invite, reject, join. It's not switching sides. Scheiße. Not switching over to players and party. If answer is equal to true, frame listing, players and party, responding player, frame listing, players and party. I'm not setting it to nil, huh? Inside of the response remote. Okay. So inside of the response remote, it still needs to... Why am I missing this? Oh shit. Go to no. Okay. Well, Should print it afterwards too. Cause I don't even, you know, I don't even know. Oh shit, that's not what I want to do. I don't know what's happening to it afterwards. So we'll have to see with this. Right? That's all we're doing. We gotta see what happens after the response remote. Kick remote. Kick remote we should also see afterwards as well. Should be working fine. I should be working just fine. So this should work a-okay. So why is my other one not loading? Hello? There we go. Now loaded. So these are some errors. I don't know. I don't know about these errors. I don't know what they are. Great. So it should be working, right? Invite, reject, invite, join. And I can create mine, which I had to disable. This shouldn't be possible at all. And then here, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, which makes sense because what is it? Players and party list. -1. Is this player 1? I think this is player 2, is it not? Because it's party and then server list. The responding player is not player 1 though. Right? Player 1's the local player. Player 2's the local player. It's sending the local player instead of the actual player. Print out this, because responding player should be player 2. No, am I wrong when I think that? Player 2 should be the one that's responding, not player 1. So player 1 sending to itself. Oh, okay, so it's only sending to itself. That's why that's like that. Because it's only sending to itself. It's not sending to a different person. So what that probably means for response remote. Where's my response remote from? And it's broken again. where do I find this again? Here. There we go. So it responds. So why isn't... Oh, I know why it's not sending it to the player too. I remember. I forgot about it. It's not sending it to the other player because inside of the party remote, I removed this. Well, what the hell did I do to this? There we go. That's why. That's why. That's why that's the problem. Right there. Now it should work. Let's run a test. Let's run a test. See what happens. So now, player joins. Yes. Except for the fact that it doesn't know that itself is inside of that, included inside of that. But it does work. It is working. Oops. It is working as semi-intended. So. What? Man. You know, those things I say at the end of the stream, I hope to God they do exist. It does work like that. That's all I can say, man. Fucking hell. Shouldn't even be a problem, but it is a problem for me now. Fucking great. I don't know. I don't know, man. No point in open. Come on. Just get shit done. No point in moping around and doing nothing. I might as well mope and get shit done, right? Right, guys? That's how it always is. At least then I'll get some stuff done, right? Otherwise it's pointless. No point. No matter. Oops. Alright, let's just keep going. So all we can do is just keep fucking trying to make this. Nothing else I can do about anything. What do I even need now, guys? Okay. So when a player creates a party, this script needs to know that the player created the party. So inside of the party created, once the party is created and the player is inserted, I need to send another remote back into this thing so that way it can tell itself that it's in a party. That's what I need to do for that. Right? For that. In that case, how do I do this? In that case, I need another remote inside of the game. So I need another remote here. It simply says party created remote. So party created, I mean, maybe I could just use the party created remote, huh? Where is it? So the party created remote, I don't think this has, yeah, it just sends it. It doesn't get any access to it. So I think we can just use this guy here. Place this guy here. Place this guy here. Pawn. Dot on client event connect the function. Upon you connecting the function, inside of it you have player or size, friends only size. We just need the player, so let's do from dot fire client play. Oops. It's only the player really that's going to be needing this. And so I don't even need to connect anything because I should automatically get the no. Okay, no. I mean, I could just use local player because theoretically this should be the owner of the party, right? I should never be needing the I should be needing what is it, guys? So if I choose player itself, right? So it should be the local player because, well, the local player should be the one that's creating this, right? So this player, whatever. Okay, yeah. So then we can go here. Fucking kick invite if answer is true. Probably just copy and paste this down there. Spawning player layer is going to just be the local player. Local player that user ID, because it should just be the local player because he is the boss. So this should, let's test it out. This should be snapping the player. Yeah, so it does work. Yeah, it works. So now it's gonna have the actual player themselves be also included into this system. So that works. That works. That does indeed work. So that does work in that aspect. Okay. It's only been 10 minutes. It's only been 10 minutes. Alright, I'll be back. I'll be back. I don't know. I'll go get water, I guess, for a little bit. BRB. BRB, guys. Alrighty, I am back. Still feel like shit. You know what? That's okay. Nah, I don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Damn, look how much money I got, guys. Ooh wee. Look at that. And I messed it all back into money. Wow, I'm starting to get lots of money, guys. It's crazy. So Ascension, 38. I mean, if I ascend now, I can get the new weapon. I can get a radius. But... Man, I really can't beat this level though. Okay, let's just ascend. Ascension! Purchase radius. And then we'll see how radius is. Ah, okay, radius would probably do really good with size, okay? Because it'll be massive, you know? Size or attack speed, I feel like. Radius not that bad though. It's like a protective barrier, you know? Okay. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. Alrighty, so. Cool. Cool. Radius is not a bad item. I'll tell you that much. It's pretty cool. Ow. Look how protective it is, guys. Crazy. Ow, as soon as I said that, I got hit. Never mind. Never mind. Alright. So it is working now. The only problem I can see happening is that when it switches over frame listing not visible. So here it had to be false because, well, why would I be able to see my own kick button? That doesn't make sense. Frame listing not visible is equal to true. Because I think, if I am remembering correctly, we did make it, yeah. So we make it false because it's supposed to be invisible. But I think if we make it true here, should showcase ourselves. Yeah, there we go. Okay, 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 okay. So it's not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. It's not a horrible thing. And then we can't kick ourselves because we just leave, right? You're not supposed to be able to see. Kick yourself. So now it's visible for ourselves. When you join a party, though, you do want your frame listing to be true. If so, here this should be if local player dot user ID is equal to party leader user ID. Then parents kick is true. True. Else false. False. End. And then, well, what the hell? Frame listing dot visible is equal to true. There you go. Now that should work. Because you don't want it to be visible in here, but you want it to be visible in here. Also, we need to make the lobby system work. If answer is equal to true, lobby button needs to be set to true. And if answer is equal to true, then can I just like grab it from here? Can I just do this? Sure. Yeah, I need to do that, right? And now let's run some tests. Oh. Now let's run some tests. See if it works in the multiplayer version of the game. Of course, this isn't fully multiplayer, but it's multiplayer. Create. Sorry, I can't see myself. Kick button. I can invite him. Kind of. I mean, it's not entirely wrong. Why is the lobby button not working though? Lobby button? Oh. It's supposed to be show. It's supposed to be show lobby button. Lol. It's supposed to be show lobby button. So show the lobby button. Okay. So now that it shows the lobby button, now that it's showing the lobby button, should be okay now. Should be okay now. Should be okay now. Man, I quite like these razor blades. I'm not going to lie. These are actually quite good. I quite like these razor blades, man. Anyways, so show lobby button should be true. Not the lobby button itself. Man, I should really fix those. Not gonna lie. I should probably fix those. Because they're pretty bad. Name design, if I do say so myself. Pretty bad name design. So let's see. Invite, join. Now the lobby button's here. So now player 1 is still in this one. Why? This should be working as intended. Oh. Maybe it's because of the fact that we're not switching it already, right? Player 1. So okay, so the problem we're gonna run into here So yes, the player does, but it needs to know about the other players as well. Ooh. Gold plating doesn't seem bad. Gold plating doesn't seem bad, but I'm sorry. I got room for you. I got room for you, gold plating. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to do this to ya. It's such a really good item, though. I won't lie. Such a really, really good item. Okay. So this should technically be a table instead of a other thing, because when it is a table, it should be in the context of so it should be a table, because it should be looking at all of the people in the party that players. So in this case, God, there's so many tables, guys. There's genuinely so many goddamn tables. I'm not even gonna lie, guys. There's a lot of goddamn tables. There's so many tables. So oh no, they're not one-shotting no more. I need to increase the damage. Yeah, these spirals are so good. They really like cover your booty, you know? Did all of them just hit that one? Okay. Okay. That was AFK and that shit. Let's not worry about it. Okay, so it technically needs to be firing the party players. Because it needs to know. Oh! Of the players. That's kidding. Dude, that is so much tables. I have 2 tables here. 3 tables here. So I have 5 tables in total that I'm using. You know how crazy that is? That's a lot of tables, bro. A lot of tables. So many tables, guys. And I'm not one-shotting them again. That's not good. I need more damage. Give me more damage. I need more damage. I need more damage. Even more damage. It's not one-shotting them again. Which is not good. Okay, so when they're too close, it kind of just all melds together. I see that. They say I don't want them to be too close. Okay. Anyways, so instead of doing for each member, kick remote player who wants to leave. What reshow party leaving remote should be fine. The kick remote should be fine. The response remote, however, should not be this, but it should be. Well, I mean, it can be this, except for responding player. Instead of being responding player, it should be the party.players. Party.players, because that's what it should be. Right. So now we go into the response. If true, then for user ID member in party members table in party members table do. So it should go through all of this, do this, but first, before we do anything, what it should do is if players and party listen dot member user ID, then print this frame already exists. Don't do anything. Continue end. Right? Continue end. And then if it doesn't, what we're gonna do is do that. And then if it doesn't, we're going to create the frame. Right, so if the players and party frame already exist for that said member, then just don't do anything. However, if it doesn't, then make the frame like this. Okay. Should be fine. Let's see what happens, guys. Is it okay or is it not okay? Shall we see? And it depends. We shall see if it is okay or if it is not okay. It probably will not be okay. I'm going to be honest. It will probably not be okay. Like how I will not be okay. Like how I will not be okay as well. I don't like to live. Die. Okay, so let's create, invite, join. So now it should work like that. Yes! Look at that. Now when this guy wants to leave, he leaves. You get re-invited. Gets kicked out. Oh, it broke. What broke? Table, something in the server side. Attempt to index null with players. Party. Fuck. Party controller is having an error. Inside of here, it's saying that there is no answer. Party leader user ID. It's probably because fire. Here's server sided. I don't need to worry about that. I think it's because here I am set attribute. Here. What is this? Frame. What is this? Frame. What is this frame, huh? What is this? Script.parent invited frame. I should really not do that. So invited frame, please have better fucking variables. Me, that was horrible. So now I don't know what that was. Okay, so invited frame. Do I change the invited frame anywhere? I don't think so. So why did it give me the error? That makes no sense. Why would it give me an error then? What? That should not give me an error. Right? I'm not wrong when I thought that. When I think that, right? Delete. Delete, delete. Delete. Delete, delete. Server list. Create. Join. Lobby. He can leave. He leaves. Okay, good. He joins back in. Kicks him out. Okay, he's kicked. I got kicked out. Whatever. Join. Can join. Why? So no problem. Oh wait, no. It is. For index party.players. So party leader's ID. Party leader's ID? Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. What is this? What is this, guys? What? Party leaders user ID is equal to false. To nil, I mean. Party leaving? Party leaving. Here. So, this one's part of the party menu, which I do change, right? I do change the party menus, party leader user ID to no. Because he gets kicked out. So it doesn't exist, right? So of course it gets turned into nil. Of course it gets turned into nil because it doesn't exist. What else is it gonna do? I do not do enough damage. Holy shit. I see that now. I really do not do enough damage. Okay. I'm so bored. I'm not bored. I'm exhausted. That's what I am. I'm exhausted, not bored. Anyways. So we're change. I don't know why. Okay, so my question is, now that I think about it. Leader user ID. Set attribute. Okay, so it sets it to nil after it fires the leader user ID. Sure. These are not even it. These are all different. Leader user ID. Leader user ID is the person inviting. Dot user ID. Yes. Party leader user ID is party menus version though. So I don't know why I'm running into this issue. Oh fuck! Did I make another race statement? I recreated this so I wouldn't have a race statement. Do I have another race statement inside of the system? I might have. Okay, no race statement. No race statement. No race statement. No race statement. Yeah, invite myself to my own party, bro. No race statement. Nope. Join. No race statement. No race statement. What the fuck? I had to have a race statement somewhere. Okay, whatever. It's working now. Anyways, I think I'll be getting into trouble now. So, I should prepare for that. I should prepare for that, guys. Anyways, I don't know what's wrong. Sometimes it gives me the error, but it still works. I don't get it. Don't get it, don't get it, don't get it, don't get it. Errors. Errors, 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 errors. Errors that don't make sense. Errors that don't make sense. How fun is that, you guys? Errors. I don't know. I mean, I didn't get the errors again, so it should be okay. I just don't know why they existed. Should probably make a testing thing. I should make a thing where it's like, oh, if the error happens, do this. You know what I mean? Should probably do that. Probably do that. I should say it'd be very smart of me to do that right now. So, in that case, what I would need to do is oh Lord, this please, Jesus. Thing sucks. Thing sucks for a boss killer. Saw blades. That's really bad. Damn. Okay, whatever. So we should make a system inside of here saying things like, hey, if this is a problem, do this. So inside of the party controller, if not really replace fuck it. Whatever. Not fuck it. We'll just grab this. There we go. Oh my god. Inconsistency, guys. Inconsistency. You don't want this new code. If you got inconsistency, it's gonna mess you up. You don't want this. Anyways. So now that we have all the party leaders, user IDs, we need to make sure they actually work. So in this case, what we should be doing is we should be checking if the party user ID is equal to null, then so we can either use the party leader user ID saying, hey, if this is equal to nil, then do this. Or you can go into the party and say, if the party is equal to nil, then you do this. If the party is equal to nil, then what the fuck do I do? Honestly, like, what do I do in that situation though? Like, genuinely. What do I do? Because party leader user ID is equal to null. if that is equal to nil, what do I do about it? Because the party user ID could equal to, because if the party leader user ID is equal to nil, what is it going to do? Send a thing back to the client saying that's nil, and the client sends it back? That's not really good. That's not, I shouldn't do that. So if it's equal to nil, I guess we're just return end, because the party doesn't exist, so you can't do anything in it, right? So I feel like that would be the only answer. And then I guess for players, it just, you know I do this. So if leader ID, then warn button could not get attribute, then we can return end on it. So I think this should stop it from doing all of this. I think. So if it like errors out, it should stop it and not continue anything else. So it should work. This one should work out for me. Now, as I said, should work out. I'm not entirely sure if it will. Oh, excuse me. If it will, but this should just like make it so the player's like, oh, what the hell? Oh, I had to click it. Oh, I clicked it again. You know what I mean? I'll gaslight them. What? The server's problem? I don't know what you mean. It's not the server's problem. Okay, you know what? I'll do this. Local tries is equal to 0. If party leader ID, then more could. Okay, so we're gonna actually do this. Then warn tries plus, oops, tries is plus equal to 1. No. Yo, yeah, return end. Okay, this should be fine. And tries is not greater than 4. Yeah, not greater than 4. So once it's not greater than 4, just wait. Let me go look for something. All right, we're done. So once it is not greater than 4, so that means it will retry this 4 times. Not 4 times. 3 times. Should probably just do this, huh? Else if tries. So else if tries is greater than 4. So instead of do this. Then what it will do is it will wait, should I do this? But no. Okay, wait. Wait. Okay. Can I not do place? Stop it. So if I do this and then go into here, go down here. So then I'll do if party leader user ID is equal to nil, then warn error happening with client. And then it needs to fire to the response remote, because the response remote will change the invite to nil. Okay. So I'll still need to do this. Yeah. No. We'll still need to do this. We'll need to be fired to... I need it to be fired to the party leader though, no? Yeah, so I need it to be fired... Well, okay, no. So I need it to be fired to the responding player. What if the party leader's user ID, which I don't have? Oh. Maybe I should just error response it. Do something completely different. I don't know. Maybe I should. Maybe I should do that. Just wait. Let me go. Okay. So, what if... okay. We should just error response this. So basically, if it is more than tries, then what it should do... Don't I... I don't know how to do this. I'm gonna be honest. Because we set the attribute... I think I know what the problem is. Do I know what the problem is? Oops. I was thinking maybe it's due to these two things. Because I was like maybe thinking these attributes are different. That's why sometimes it would get an error. But that wouldn't make any sense because I only set the attribute to... I only set the attribute for that one, or the invite frame as later user ID, so it shouldn't... Yeah, party menu is not that one, but size amount frame, I don't need the size amount frame. Button, set attribute, yeah. Amount frame, clone, set attribute. Player user ID, the clone is what? Server listing frame? Okay, set attribute party menu. This one is the invite frame, so that one is later user ID. This is party menu. This is party menu. Okay, never mind. No, that's not the reason why. Never mind. That's not the reason why. It's airing out. Oh wow. Gonna be honest. Damn, look at my fire right now, bro. It's crazy. Okay. Like that. Like that fire rate increase. It's nice. Okay, that works a lot better actually. I feel like works a lot better. Anyways, yeah, I don't know what the problem is with this though. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I don't know what the problem is. I do not know. I don't understand. I don't get it. I don't get what the problem is. I don't get what the problem is. I don't know why sometimes it errored out, sometimes it doesn't error out. I don't get it. 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 Okay, this one I do need to fix though because it's not giving it to me no more. Oh, right here, see? Could not get attribute, tries to 0 to plus equals 1. What is this? Response from that? Join button. This one is joining. Okay, so can I get attribute? Can I get the attribute? This doesn't make sense. So could not get the attribute. It tries, returns, and supposed to not do any of this, but it's doing it. And it's still working. That's my biggest gripe. Why does this still kind of work though? You know what I mean? Still kind of working though, so I don't. So I don't get it. The problem is that it's still reacting. I really don't get it, guys. It's still working. Like, it's not like it doesn't work. Which I don't get. It shouldn't even work. Because it's not getting the attribute. It shouldn't even work, period. Do you guys get what I mean? I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. Dude, I don't even have it on the fucking reject button. Oh my god. The only difference is that it fires the server to false. Right? No. Well, I mean, even if the response remote is false, I don't think it does anything, right? Response remote. I don't have 2024, bruh. He's asking me for 2024 income. I don't got any. I'm poor. I didn't get any money, guys. Poor man. That's all I am. That's all I am, boys. Doing pretty decent. So when the response remote answer is false, then it doesn't even matter because it just sends it to the responding. We'll just send it to the responding player. Which goes to here, response remote. If it doesn't, if the answer is no, it doesn't even do anything. So I don't even need a retry button for that because it doesn't matter. It's just the join button that needs a retry button. I should probably do this, huh? Local success equal to false. So disconnect the button. Is that what I have to do? I have to disconnect the button. So no, I had to do this. Local connection is equal to while success equal to false. I know it's not spelled the same. Oh my god, my spelling is all over the place. False do So it should do this connection dot disconnect. Why is it showing that's red even though, well, okay. Probably because this has to be like down there or something. No, I guess it has to be down there, right? So it's returning end. I'll try if leader ID is equal to nil, then do this. L if tries is greater than 4, then success equal to true. Maybe does that work as a retry system? You know what? Let's do this. So probably go to no. Do that. Testing purposes only. Let's test it out. Let's see what it does, huh? Let's see what it does. This create. I can't test it like that. Cause then I gotta go do everything else. Never mind, we're not testing it like that. It's just annoying. We'll just test it like this. I mean I. No, I'm just kidding. I'll let you guys see. I'll let you guys see what I'm doing. Don't worry. I'm letting you guys see. Do all this. Serverless, create, invite frame, join. Okay, I broke it. Okay, I broke it. Oops, not that one, not that test. This test right here. I broke it. I broke it, guys. I broke it. Yeah, don't do that. Yeah, don't do that. I broke it. Now we fix it. Now we should. Nope, I broke it even more. Okay, we're just gonna do this. Leader 90 is equal to nil. Then we'll just do that. Else if do go through. I don't know. Let's see this works, guys. Whoops, I should have. Oops, that's not the one I wanted to do. Alright, let's see if this works. So, create, invite, join. It's still broken. When did I break? I don't know what I broke. What did I do, guys? I mean, they got him streaming, I guess, because now I can at least go back to the video and see what the hell I did, but what did I do? What did I do? Oh fuck, wrong testing. It's supposed to be this guy. Oh lord, I'm not even beating them no more. Oh, that's horrible. It's taking like 3 shots to kill him. Ah, y'all, I don't do no damage, guys. I don't know. Anyways. Oh, I forgot to do print tries. My bad. I forgot to print the tries out. Okay. You know what? Fuck this shit. We're done. We're done. Don't need it. Don't need it. Don't need it. I don't know, man. It works. It just works. I don't know what to say, man. It literally just works. I literally don't know what to say. I think it's just because it's all fucked up, man. Not get attribute. Oh fuck me. Why is it when I say if not leader ID then break? Why did that break the thing? Seriously, why? Something's fucked up. I fucked up something. I just don't know what it is. But I most definitely fucked up something. I just really don't know what it is. I just don't know what it is. I just don't know what it is. So you can reject it, invite it, when the lobby system opens, you can kicked out, join, kicked out, join, leave, join, kick out, join, leave. No errors? No errors. Alright, fuck this shit, I'm done. That works. It works. Why does it work? I don't know, but it works. If it works, it works, right guys? No need to question it. No need to question it at all. If it works, it works. What is there to question about? What is there to question about with this? Oh, I thought I used it. I was about to say, yo, chill. But no, I didn't use it. If it works, guys. If it works, it works. So, yay! Lobby system. It kind of works. Kind of doesn't work. Kind of work. It works, but also doesn't work. Oh, God. I still have stuff I need to do for it, though. 10:50. I'm gonna go see something quick again. All right. Life's so tiring. Life sucks. I hate life, guys. You know, when I always say at the end of my streams that life gets better, I hope it does. Because if it doesn't for me, then I'm ending it all. Everything's going to end. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Or am I? No, I'm just kidding. Vsauce. I'd be like Vsauce, you know? It's just a lie. Or is it? God. Anyways. So the lobby system, it needs to work in a different functionality, which is the fact that the fact that when the player leaves the lobby, it should be blank. There's also the problem of the fact that if there is multiple, I had to make sure there's not multiple server list frames. So for that, I need to do triple. Alright, I'm gonna do triple take real quick. Alright. Y'all won't be able to see the triple one, but I'll see it. I'm gonna triple it. Just to test something out. Because I'm like 99% sure this is going to be a problem. 99% sure. 99% sure. So what I'm testing currently is if player 1 creates a server list, okay, and then player 3 creates a server list, player 1 will still be inside of it. Then player 1 can join player 3, but now the problem becomes that two parties exist. Two parties exist for player 1. Yes, two parties exist for player 1. So what I need to do for this is I need to send a remote out to everyone. When a player is part of a party, they don't get invited. So if I want to, I could actually look at this in the invite. Maybe I can look at the invite remote and I could say if the player is inside. So here, what I can do is say if party players and party list local player.user ID, then just return end. No. So that way it doesn't do anything, right? Because it's like, hey, the player's here, yada yada yada. The player is what is it? What is it, huh? What the fuck is it, guys? The fuck is it, huh? God, I don't even want to go to fucking work tomorrow. I really don't. I really do not want to go to fucking work tomorrow. Anyways. Now I should see how. So this is just saying if the player's inside the party. Oh, what is this? No, go away, sister. I don't want you. Garbage. Garbage AI. Damn clankers. Okay, sorry. I'm so very out of it, guys. Okay. So what we're going to be trying to do is, it's like, okay, so if the player already exists inside of a party, don't create an invite frame. What we're going to have to do is create another GUI frame is what I want to do. No, not this. This. Sorry, I should create like another frame inside of here. And make it just like this. Do fucking this. Do fucking this. I'm done. I'm so done. I'm so done and tired, guys. Hopefully my life gets better in a year. Fucking have to see though. If it doesn't, I don't know. Don't know what I'll do. Don't know what I would want to do. So here we're gonna call this the invite but in party. There we go. So here, what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be text label. Let's make this text label the whole thing. Background color. Nope. Background transparency. Text scaled rich text. We don't need that. No, go away. Text label is has invited you, but you are already in a party. Oh, that's not what I wanted. But in party text. There we go. Sorry. That's what I want to change. So now we're just gonna make this invisible, and then we're going to here and say then if it is already in, then invite button party. So we need to grab that. Local invite button party is equal to script.parent parent.invite button party invite button party dot visible is equal to true. Invite but dot in party text dot text is equal to person inviting dot name dot dot has invited you to a party, but you are already in one. Task dot wait one for invite to false. Which I already know this is not going to work like this, because it has to be a function like that. Oops. And another 2. And I'll test it out. You guys won't be able to see, but I am testing it. I will be testing it. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm testing it. I'm testing it. I'm testing it. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. Up, and whatever. That's fine. So now let's make both of these guys create a party. Invite. Player 1 has invited you to a party, but you're already in one. Nice. Ah, scheiße. Fuck. Task.wait isn't what I wanted. Task.delay. Because that, yeah, task.delay. Okay, so I think it's task.delay that I wanted to do for this. Task.delay, then return, and that's what I wanted. Create. Invite. Player 1 has two has invited you to a party, but you're already in one, and then it should disappear. Wow. Okay, I'll show you this one. So, invite the player, but player 2 has invited you, but you're already inside of a party. Oh, it's kind of being blocked by the game. Let me do it on this side. Player 1 has invited you to the party, but you're already in a party. Wow. Look how good that is. And then disappears after 4 seconds. Nice. Okay. So that fixed that issue. You can invite the person. Is just if they're already in the party, you can't really do much about it. I think here we're gonna have to do we'll have to do that. Honestly. Huh. Wait. Honestly, I don't know why that worked. That should not have worked, actually. Now that I think about it. Because I didn't change the invites. I didn't change the invites at all. So it shouldn't have worked there. If I'm remembering correctly. I don't know why those didn't appear up front. So both create a list, invite. Player 1 has invited you, but you're already in a party. Should disappear. I just broke it. I broke it. So you can spam click it and it'll break. Honestly, I don't know why that breaks like that. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know why that breaks like that. We'll have to see. We'll have to see why that breaks like that, guys. I don't know why. I don't know why that breaks like that. Those are quite big saw blades, if I do say so myself. Anyways. Yeah, I actually genuinely don't know why that breaks like that. So there's a if the person inviting, if the person has already invited you, then don't do anything, right? Can't. Oh, maybe it's because I don't have it. I'm not actually setting it anywhere, huh? Wait. So then if I do this, person inviting dot user ID is equal to true. True. Why is this equal to clone? I don't know. Okay, this should work now. Yeah, it should work, right? Right? Now it should work. As intended. So you can spam it however much you want, but it's not gonna do anything because two, three, yeah. So you spam as much as you want, but it's not gonna do anything. Good. Good. Oh. That could have been bad. Anyways, thank God I'm using studio mode. Say that much. Good. So that does seem to be functioning. Functioning well enough, I should say. So now what do we do, people? So now I don't have to remove them from the other list because it's now we have a drawback feature on it. So that's good. What else is it that I need to do though? Can't beat the boss. Anyways, so now we have this here, so that way it's like, oh, if the player is already in a party, you can't join them, you can't leave them, whatever, yada 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 yada. That's good. I do like that. Now I need to fix the fact that when the player does leave, right, does want to leave or whatever, do its thing, it will not do it. It will not do it. So Coordinate came back. Yay, I forgot Coordinate went on to break. Completely forgot about that. Coordinate-san is coming back. Hmm. Need to think. You know, also Kanata is graduating. So sad. You know how sad that is that Kanata is graduating. Depressing, man. Absolutely depressing. Breaks my heart for that to be a thing. Why must she be depressing? Not depressing. What? Why must she be graduating? I mean, I do know why. She has complicated health issues, so that's why she's graduating. But still does not make me less sad. Still doesn't make me any less sad. Anyways. And then kill it. May make sense. Okay, so when the player joins the server, when the player joins the party, it should not allow the player. When the player leaves the party, it should clear out the party list thing. Okay, so kick. Yeah, so I could just use the kick remote. So once the player is inside of the kicked remote, this is what I'm going to do. Instead of doing that, for index person in player list, do so here instead of frame listing, we're just going to do this. This should actually be called frame. This should be called frame. For every frame. Party menu, set attribute, party leader. No. No. And then this is user ID. Here we're gonna put every user ID. So what this should be doing is, oh, I can't test it like this. My bad. Wrong testing. I can't test it like that. Server and clients. Go to the server and clients. Once we get into the server and clients, what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be testing out the I don't know why you would ever use that burst weapon. This guy, like, it's so shit. It's genuinely so shit. It doesn't do any damage. Yo, I'm getting surrounded. Yo, I'm getting surrounded. I need lots to learn lockback, dude. No. Alright, so testing time for this. So now what should happen is I create the server, I invite this guy, he joins, he gets in here, he leaves, and then it should fix the lobby. Not for you too! Oh, god damn it. Oh, fuck me. Okay. If... Okay, I have to check this. If... Okay, wait. So, let me grab this. And I'm gonna... I'm gonna do... If the local player dot user ID is equal to the kicked player dot user ID, then do that. And then return end. Else, don't do that. I didn't realize that issue. I did not think about that. I did not think about that issue right there. But I have thought about it now, so it's okay. I have thought about it now, so it's okay. So now we're gonna delete all of these. Go into you, create, invite. He joins. He's like, yay, I'm here. Get the hell out. And then he's like, oh, I got kicked out. And then he can reject it or whatever. He can join back in. He'll join back in. If he leaves, it does the same thing. Yes. Yes, guys. Yes. Yes. Look at that. It worked, boys. Oh, it worked. That is beautiful. That is beautiful right there. That is very beautiful. Okay, that is beautiful, 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 guys. That works like a charm. So now that works like a charm. So now what? I don't know. I don't know what now. Now what? Now what? Now what? Now what? No, I don't know. I guess I'm gonna go use the bathroom. Might take a while. Might take a while. But you guys got the game for you. But yeah, might take a while. If it does, I'm sorry. I'm real sorry about that, but it's not my choice. So, see how it goes. That's all I can say right now. If I come back, I might just end the stream too. When I come back, it depends. I'll see how I feel. But yep. So I'll be right back. Maybe, possibly. We'll have to see. All right. Be right back. Hopefully. All right, I'm back. We are safe for now. How much have I gotten, huh? Garbage, 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 more garbage. I didn't make it. Unlocks the shotgun weapon. Yo. Isn't that just this one? You know, it says it's weak, but it's like only 4 damage less, but it does damage. Yeah, like a way, like it does 150 damage versus 54. Why, like that doesn't make sense. Why would they call it weak when it does 154 fucking 150 damage every shot, and it shoots like every 2.5 f speeds? You know, I don't get it. That makes no sense. That makes no sense to me. How long was I gone? About 10 minutes, 11 minutes. Okay. Sorry about that. Don't mean to be gone for so long. I really don't. I was just making sure I didn't die. Anyways, we are good to go. Now, upon the kick remote. Oops, that's response, invite, kick to false. There we go. So this should be working in the scene that I wanted to. Oh, I'm still on display capture. Thank God I didn't do anything weird. Display capture is such a scary thing, guys. Honestly, it is. So let's see. Create a party, invite him. He joins. Yay! He's like, no! Ah, shit, it doesn't go away. Ah. Okay, I gotta lobby and server list. Lobby button. This will also be false. That will also be false. And I tested it on accident. I didn't even I barely tapped it. It's a wooden keyboard. What I expect. I have my activation switch on like the wooden keyboard. It's like 0.1 millimeters, man. Very, very, very small. That's what it is. I put it extremely small because I wanted it to be extremely small. Guys, my keyboard still coming in. I'm really wondering how much goddamn tariffs I'm gonna pay for this stuff, guys, because they're all out of state, apparently. Apparently they're all international, guys. Well, that's a bug. I see. But now let's check the server side. So now if I invite this guy again, he joins. Should still only be 2. Okay. Shit, I forgot I need to do that one. I need to do it so that way if it's the party leader who's leaving, it'll just destroy the server, the party, completely. Okay. It's been a while. I gotta go to the store. I gotta go buy some stuff. Okay, so what we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna end the stream here. And then I'm gonna end the stream here. Once I come back, I'll probably start streaming up coding again, because you know I still got some coding that I want to do, right? So I'll probably stream up coding again. But for now, I'm gonna end the stream here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, even if I'm a little down, right? Currently, it's fine, right? It's okay. As I always say at the end of my streams, man. If you're having a bad day, I hope the rest of your day is better. And if you need good luck, I hope the gods of luck give it to you. And even if they don't, hopefully things get better for you, right? Eventually, what it should happen is eventually things will get better for you. Are they better though? Who knows, right? You never know. Might take a year, might take a month, might take a second. I don't know. You know, we really don't know about that. But hopefully, eventually, it'll get better. Eventually, right? Eventually things get better for you. So, you know, I guess take it with a grain of salt. That's what it is. Take it with a grain of salt. But eventually things should get better for you. And if you're watching here live and or you're watching the VOD, I hope you enjoyed watching me code, figure stuff out. We made quite a lot of progress today and yesterday with this system. The coding system is very, very, very close to being finished. I can feel it. Just a little tiny minute things, minute bugs that I have to fix. And then I'll be good to go. And then I don't have to worry about it no more. I also still haven't made the lobby system work. I just realized that. I haven't made the lobby system itself work, have I? That's a whoopsies. But anyways, so I'll be seeing you guys later. Hopefully, as I said, hopefully you guys enjoyed watching the stream. Hopefully it wasn't too bad for you guys. So I'll be seeing you guys later. Probably in like an hour or two. Maybe. Yeah, I'll give it like 2 to 3 hours. I'll see you guys again for coding some more things. Anyways, alright. Goodbye, you guys. Goodbye. Have a good rest of you guys' day.